In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file in ClickUp. If you want to keep everything related to a task in one place, attaching files is a simple and helpful feature to use. It makes it easier to share documents, images, PDFs, or other important materials directly inside the task, so anyone working on it can quickly find what they need without searching elsewhere. To get started, open the task where you want to add a file. This is important because files are attached to a specific task, so you'll want to make sure you're in the correct one before uploading anything. Take a quick moment to confirm that you're in the right task, especially if you're managing several similar items in your workspace. Once the task is open, scroll down to the bottom of the task window until you find the Attach File option. Depending on your layout, you may need to move down a little to see it clearly. When you find it, click Attach File to begin the upload process. After that, choose the option to upload a file from your device. This tells ClickUp that the file you want to attach is stored on your computer. If you see multiple upload choices, simply select the one that lets you browse files from your device. Next, locate the file you want to add. A file browser window will open, allowing you to look through the folders on your computer. Navigate to the correct location, then click on the file you want to upload. Before moving forward, it's a good idea to double check that you selected the right file, especially if there are multiple versions with similar names. Once the correct file is selected, click Open. This will start the upload and attach the file to the task. Depending on the size of the file and your internet connection, it may take a moment to finish, so give it a few seconds if needed. Finally, confirm that the file appears in the task. This is your sign that the upload was successful. If you can see the attachment listed in the task, then everything worked properly. It's always worth checking this final step so you know your file is available and ready for anyone who needs access to it. And that's all it takes to add a file in ClickUp. It's a quick process, but it can make your tasks much more organized and useful, especially when you need to keep supporting documents attached right where the work is happening. Thanks for watching!